How to make only your friends can see your birthday on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your birthday on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click profile information and scroll down until you find your birthday here and click this pen, and here you will find this icon here. Click on it and select friends, and now just go down and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.